Hello everyone, and welcome to the weekly analysis. So this is basically where we go through all of the market action, what happened, and like how we analyzed it from last week. So basically the previous arrows that we've drawn is basically the analysis that we've made from last week. So it just gives you an insight of how to trade our strategy overall, really. So beginning with our first pair, GBP USD. So we said that we wanted to find some rejection in this reversal area here. It was a midpoint, so 1.2903, and we found that rejection very nicely early on in the week. Now, if you did manage to take that trade, a good 200 pips on that one there, and the second opportunity, if you missed out there, was after this point here, so a good 80 odd pips there. Quite straightforward with GBP USD. Obviously, you know, the NFP on Friday had the big effect with everything, but nonetheless, let's keep moving on. Euro USD, we found that we wanted to come up to this point here in this red reverse zone. Didn't really make any point of move. We found our early tapping into this rejection area here in this red reversal zone, thinking that it may come back into here, but unfortunately didn't. There was a large uprise here, so very bullish action, and then through the week a lot of upside sideways movement before the NFP caused it to come back into the reversal area. So it'll be a good idea to see what will happen in the next week or so. Moving on to USD JPY, we wanted to find some sort of reaction to two of these levels, and we did find that. We had that push and rejection here, so a good move to this yellow zone here, so about 50 odd pips there. And also we found that the uptrend here on our daily held respectively well, so we'll see if this uptrend still holds and we are still in the bearish move to the downside, but we'll take a look at that further tomorrow as we put our analysis videos out individually. Moving on to gold, we can see that we've immediately pushed bullish straight up into our reversal zone and fell back down again. So either way, if you did take the move, it was a good 180 to both sides really, so there was a good potential here for gold to get involved. And finally, moving on to the cryptocurrencies, I do believe there was a lot of move, but not too much. Yeah, as we can see here, we're just moving sideways still, no particular move or breakout. And also I believe with Ripple it has that same sort of effect. Yes, we did. We moved sideways, still in our reversal zone, so no real apparent move there at all. But that will kind of conclude our weekly analysis for this week. There was no real move in the cryptocurrencies, just still sideways. I guess it's coming down to the end of the month that I do expect some sort of change in momentum very soon with the cryptocurrency, so just be aware of that. But yeah, nonetheless, that will be all for us on the weekly analysis. Thank you very much for listening, and if you do enjoy any of these videos or they do help you at all, make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel, and that would be great. So thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you next week.